नमस्ते दोस्तों
ये नई वीडियो बहुत बहुत स्वागत है
और guess what where we are going
Guess what? I am so excited. We are going to travel to Konkan
Konkan and
for
then-
the first time and then Goa.
then Goa we are going Konkan then Goa
So see, first of all, what happened to my face? I got
again
so
again
many
she is saying because of hormone changes because
Because
some
of-
medicine she was taking
hormone problems. I got so many pimples. I hope till we go, at least it will go, so we can take some good
means
pictures.
actually she was taking some medicines for her hormone changes and suddenly she stopped for 2-3 months
3-4 months. Yeah,
so
that's
so many pimple came so again she is starting so let's hope it will go okay so now we are going one place called Lonere there one farmhouse is there like farm stay there we are going to stay 2 nights then we are going to go Dapoli then Ratnagiri then which one Kudal Vengurla or Kudal then Goa
Oh.
and when we are coming back from Goa we want to go to Kolhapur like other way we want to come
That one
Kolhapur
still
and
we didn't fix yet, but we will try
We will
to
try.
fix. Yeah, we thought we'll put the things inside car and
So
we'll
many
go
things
for
we took.
breakfast. So many things, see guys. And backside also is full.
one big
So we
bag
thought
is there.
we'll go. We'll eat breakfast outside because if here we wanted to make again, we had to wash dishes and all, and so it would be late.
Late. And it's so hot guys
Yeah.
so means so
I am so
Pune
happy
is
we are
become-
going from Pune. Oh my
that
god.
Pune became like the steam room really
Especially from yesterday, it's so hot.
so hot
Even at
now
night
she-
also we cannot suffer. What I'm saying, we cannot survive.
Survive.
We suffer. So,
see we are just sitting see so much sweat is coming
Oh my God.
let's go better
chalo guys,
Yes, so
be
guys,
with us in
we'll
this new journey. This is the longest journey till now we are going to have.
and on the way I also want to drive now this time
Yes.
Chalo. Let's go.
Let's go.
Before going, we thought we will do breakfast here only in Pune.
Yes. And we came to one restaurant. So I was saying one thing to Bhagwan. I was saying to him, yesterday I was talking to my uncle after a long time, and I was just saying traffic in India is so much different. I mean, driving is so hard in India. He was saying, why you're not buying bike?
Bye.
I said it's so risky. I mean, you can have accident. He was saying to me that you just few times you go here and there you will learn to drive bike. For you also it will be so good and fun and this thing. I said that is not good. It's not safe. And another thing also. I said that's why we bought car. He was saying, yeah, if someone has driven in Tehran, the capital city of Iran, so they can easily drive in India. I said, what? I was laughing like hell.
Everyone think from there when he never went outside of Tehran. So he's thinking ki
I said first of all because I was saying the driver seat is opposite. He was saying if you have experience in Tehran, you can drive here. So I said it's not like that.
anyone you saw after eating dosa or uttappam lemon is
After
eating?
eating anything, these many lemons. You saw
See?
anytime.
She ate uttappam now and
See?
6 slices of lemon.
I think if it's Indian, injury myself. They will become like this. But
Really? How
we
you
are
can
used to
eat?
it. We put lemon in lot of food. Same like you use
Mirchi.
mirchi, na? We use lemon in lot of foods. And you know, I was saying to Bhagwan, he was saying, no, I don't want to eat. I said, Bhagwan, lemon has most frequency level after flowers in all the foods. That's why it's so good to eat.
She's forcing me now. See, I don't want.
One.
Hello guys, again.
Hello.
So now we ate breakfast now. But like 2 times she said thank you for breakfast. It's like I made breakfast. Miss, I just wanted to share about the culture, Iranian culture or Persian culture you can say. They appreciate a lot. Means if you take them somewhere for food or juice, anything, chai,
Especially
or
my
you give
surrounding.
food.
My family and my surrounding is like this.
Always they say thank you.
So I'm used to it. From starting when we met each other till now, even after 3.5 years, always whenever we eat something outside, I always say
you, thank you. I just wanted to share.
Yeah. How many hours we need to be on the way?
2 hours 45 minutes.
Oh, then it's good. I
Alright.
thought it's 3.5 hours.
No, 3 hours it was showing, but this morning, na, and today Sunday also is there.
Very nice.
Bita, so many people are saying ki your driving is so good because you are from Iran. How you manage driving and this thing?
At starting when we bought the car, it was a little bit hard for managing because here the
Driving is opposite,
is
huh?
opposite of Iran. But then I got used to it because I have 8 years experience of driving,
Huh.
and I have been doing it regularly. Like when I was in Iran, I used to go to university by car. I used to go for job. It's everywhere I used to go by car. In traffic, in hill areas, everywhere I drove. That's what I
Okay.
mean. And here also, fortunately, since we bought the car, I got the chance to drive in different places. So I got used to it.
You remember when we bought car? After few days only we went to
We went
Konkan.
to Konkan, yeah.
Now again we
And
are going
Mahabaleshwar.
Konkan. Konkan, Mahabaleshwar.
But that time I was not this much confident. But I got because everything I know in driving. Only I was not that much confident because of the driver's seat is opposite side.
But I am proud of you.
But now I got used to it. I was proud.
I also need to learn slowly. I can drive on one lane if it's,
Yes.
but the distance I am not able to understand how much distance I have to keep. So let's say slowly on this trip
Hey,
also I
you
will
will
try.
learn. You're so smart.
In this trip I will learn slowly.
Yes.
So now we are in Tamini, guys. Tamini. There's that Tamini Ghat means that road is little bit hard to drive. So many turns are there. So first time when we bought car, from this road only we went to Konkan. So Beta knows how to drive in this ghat.
Oh, here they say?
They say कि always accident happen on this road.
Really?
Always. Because so many turns are there.
Now also we saw one car. It was like almost damaged. So many different fruits they have. What are these fruits?
Another Jambud hai, Jamun.
Oh.
Jamun they are selling. If you want, stop somewhere you can buy.
Really? Finally we reached to Konkan. Today for the first place we chose one homestay, and we just reached. So we parked the car here inside of the space of homestay. I just want to go here and there and see what things they have, but the first thing that made me so much amazed is jackfruit. There also they had Bhagwan. They have jackfruit trees. I love jackfruits and I'm so much craving for it. I hope they will have here. On the way also we bought mangoes. I will just eat this and that here. Local food, different fruits, and I'm gonna show you guys. Be with us. I'm gonna show you guys what are the things in Konkan.
We are in Lonere. There is one place called Lonere. Here we are going to stay in one homestay. 2 days. Today and tomorrow we are here.
Okay.
We'll show the place, and after that we are going to go Dapoli.
Boy, I'm so
Okay.
excited.
I
Now
am
we'll
also-
go. We'll.
But it's so hot, guys.
It's so hot. I
Weather
think
is
more
so
than
hot.
Pune.
So hot.
Huh?
No, it's so hot.
It's
More
humid.
than- Humid also is so hot.
Now we will go. Should we take our things?
Few things we'll take.
Yeah,
Like
few
what is
things we'll
important
take.
for us.
We'll show you the room. Be with us.
Okay.
I see here they are removing kokum from the tree. I have never seen kokum tree till now, and I heard that this fruit. Oh, this one. This fruit they are saying is only in India. Let me see. Oh, very nice. Looking so different. I think they only make juice from it. I'm not sure.
So guys, this is our stay. This is the house. So beautiful. So many trees are there. See, jackfruit, fanas. This is the homestay. It looks so beautiful. They made. See, Vita. I will show you from inside. But one dog also is here, sleeping.
Let me first say one thing. First of all, here it's so beautiful. They put different paintings on the wall, and the vibe and color here I like so much. Means everywhere you see different colors you will find. And I was saying on the way to Bhagwan, I don't like hotels. I like to go homestay or farmhouses to explore nature and to see different fruits, food, local food. So I'm very excited. Our rooms are upside. Till now we haven't checked the rooms. We just took our bags, we put coca and juice for us, and now we'll drink and we'll go. One thing also I wanted to mention, now outside I tried coca. I loved it. I mean, it was very sour. I don't know, Indian people don't eat normally coca. They make juice from it. But for me and for Iranians, I think it's very lovely just to eat without anything.
They have a library also. Means if you want to read book, oh, good books they have. Alright.
So,
This is for sitting. Upside they have rooms, and here is kitchen. And here is kokum juice. See guys, so good they made. Paintings they put everywhere. Upside is our room.
this
We'll
one
show
is
our
so
room.
beautiful. I think people did painting here.
I don't know, but they are so good. They are so good.
Arabic is Nikita.
Maybe.
Amani. I can do for them.
Because I was reading in their profile, it was mentioning you can do painting and this thing.
Hey,
I
let's
think.
do.
Arre.
Chalo.
Chalo guys, this is our room. Room number
So
3.
hot.
It's so hot also weather.
Here are the cooler zone.
Arre.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
It's so beautiful. This painting also is so beautiful. Everywhere they put fruits. This one is that peach, na? I forgot. Gulabi. What you say in English?
Huh. Oh, here peach there, huh?
They put different paintings. This one is banana. This one is.
I think they have. That's why they put.
This one is what? This one I don't know, guys. You tell in comment. This one is kokum. I feel.
Oh, here is so colorful.
Arre.
Means I love it. Really, I'm saying one of the best and most beautiful places till now I came.
Color means they put the curtain and this thing. It's like more bright colors.
Same I'm saying.
Arre.
Real colors they use, not like brown, white, or they put so many things: red, orange, downside yellow. Means you will find so many colors. And outside, my God, see what kind of view! My God.
Banana trees are there everywhere.
My God. Coconut.
You saw coconut?
Yeah, so many coconuts.
Well, but I like coconut so much.
Banana.
Jamun, jambu.
Oh.
So many. You saw?
My God. I want to stay here whole life. Just give me this room. I'm not going here. I'll be here. Whole life. Wow, it's so nice. Here it's so beautiful. Let me see toilet also how it is. But we have to take sandal also. I will not go like this.
Go for toilet, no?
Arre. For everywhere. See?
We are roaming. One dog is here in this house. He's coming behind us. He's showing our way.
bodyguard.
Free bodyguard.
Doggish.
Oh, mango tree. But there is no mango
Where?
here.
I think they took on.
Arre. One is there, one fall down there.
From
See?
here we should go.
One mango is there.
Is it?
Green one. You saw? But I will be so happy if it's good.
It's good. It's good.
But I was thinking in her country, one mango is for how much? Like 1 kg?
This also. 1 kg is for more than 1,000 rupees.
So she's saying once we are walking downside in society.
Every time Bhagwan is like, it's okay. I'm saying, Bhagwan want mango.
I'm saying maybe it's kharab, don't take.
He's
We
like,
don't know.
It's okay. I'm like, what is okay? It's 1,000 rupees in my country.
1 kg.
1 kg. Yeah. So.
Guys, we are just exploring this
I can
homestay.
try.
They have a lot of things like banana tree, mango, jackfruit also is there.
Water we don't have.
No, we don't have water here.
Should I do?
Huh?
Busy and put
I don't think. Where you are going? Don't run.
Doggish. Here.
Let's go. Guys, we did mistake I feel by coming. It's so hot. So hot. We thought ki we'll be away from Pune, but Pune is so hot.
Yeah.
41, 42. Here we came, here also is so hot.
This one is anar.
Are no, this one is guava.
Guava.
Are Peru.
Oh.
This one I'll
So
show.
hot, guys.
So hot. Little bit we'll walk. We'll see what
We
things
to
they
go
have,
shower today.
and then
Where
we'll.
is my doggish? Doggish.
But I searching dog.
Doggish.
He was coming behind us. So many banana trees they have. Here is Peru. Here is Bita. I'm coming. Be careful when you are walking.
Let me put in my bag. Yeah, in my
No, chick will go in your bag.
Okay.
In hand only.
That
Take.
one, ananas.
I saw.
Pineapple.
Oh, guys, pineapple. I never saw kaju.
Kaju.
Huh? See, that one is I think kaju downside.
one?
Huh?
And this?
This one I think they use for juice or
I saw
something
some
they
videos
make or like
that
drink
They make some drinks from it.
or
Oh, this is the first time in real I'm watching. My God, so nice.
this ananas also is a pineapple. It's little bit pink. I never saw like this.
Oh, I think it's not ready, but it's different.
It's a bit pink. See,
Yeah.
this is banana. This one is jackfruit, guys. You can see.
Which one? Oh,
But I like so much
I love
jackfruit.
That woman said in morning they give.
Here also is there. Wait, I will show to people. See here, guys. Jackfruit. How many jackfruits? Okay, let's go, Bitul.
Like one? You know, I don't know نگیریم برای پیجمون.
I don't know دیگه. How we can take.
یا چیز میکنیم اونجا که بریم plantation چیز.
अरे
No, not to take video.
हाँ
To show and take video.
अरे there they have. We are going Goa also, na guys. So we are going one farm stay. There they make some drink also from this kaju. So there only will record. So many.
They make.
Here no, I don't think. Maybe they sell. See so many banana trees, Bitul, everywhere.
So many.
See guys.
Oh,
So guys, we are walking. Just imagine one snake come.
I will go.
And what about me? At least you know karate.
I will not leave you.
I know, for dog also. You remember or not? For dog you left me.
That was my mistake. happened. I think here is water.
No, the water is like I saw in videos. It's like small pond. This one is nothing. I think you just
Here
made.
is what?
I think here also they want to make like stay.
Or maybe
See?
water zone.
Nah, I was reading on their website. You saw Chipkali
Oh, they want to make cottages.
or wooden cottages,
Wow.
like bamboo cottages.
Mhm.
It's made from bamboo, na? You can see everywhere.
So nice.
Arre. Mango, guys, mango tree. Oh, kaju.
Really? It's kaju. this
I
one?
think kaju dige. I am also not sure, but I feel it's kaju. Oh, this one they were saying pond. I think in rainy season it will be
So
full.
many these
Arre.
fruits are there.
Arre. So dirty. I thought it's clean. In videos I saw it's so beautiful.
Then what happened?
I don't know. I think maybe in rainy season it will be full. But why is like this?
It's smelling also.
Arre, miss, why color is like this? This water. I saw some videos. They were sitting there
Hmm?
and they were drinking chai.
Yeah.
Arre. And they can see na this small pond.
Oh, from there is no way.
No, this much only is for them. I think.
Okay.
Okay. Better bitter. Fairly garam hai bitter.
Tomorrow
Better.
we'll record so many.
Arre. Short will
Wow.
record.
What to do?
Where? See guys, banana.
It's
So small.
Oh, pineapple.
Beta,
also.
coconut.
Oh my God, how many coconuts? Nah, that is not
Ice
coconut.
apple hai.
It's ice apple. Ah.
Is apple?
Yes, yes. A coconut
I
tree
thought
is
it's
not like
coconut.
this.
Arre.
Even downside I saw, I thought.
Arre.
I think it's ice apple. Let's see. We will record if it's there.
Arre. So guys, we came for breakfast. What is for breakfast, Betul?
Poha.
हाँ
My favorite. This one is what?
क्या बोला इसको आपने? थाली फीट. It's like made from mix of rice, gehu powder, wheat powder,
Oh,
different things.
okay. And this one is my favorite.
This one is your favorite.
From upside smell was coming. I was feeling.
Really?
Or
That's why you
maybe my
came so
mind was
fast?
on. Let's see. I want to try to see how is it different because
This
in
one is
Pune
fresh
also
now.
I saw jackfruit, but definitely this one is fresh. That one is not. Let's see. Their curd also even is so different in taste.
This coconut also is
Curd?
from
Loni. Oh, Loni.
Loni.
Okay.
Some part, some form of milk you can say.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay. Hello.